Did you know too many chargebacks can actually shut down your merchant account? Most business owners don't realize the threshold is shockingly low. Here's a quick way to see the problem. Search Visa chargeback threshold and you will find that just 1% of transactions flagged as chargebacks can put your account in danger. That is a tiny margin, and it catches many businesses off guard. These manual searches reveal the risk, but they don't show you how to prevent it. That's why business owners choose Easy Pay Direct. Their chargeback mitigation tools give you early alerts so you can resolve disputes before they escalate. On top of that, you get transaction routing to keep payments flowing smoothly across accounts, protecting your cash flow. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get white glove service, giving you a dedicated point of contact whenever you need help. If you want to keep your merchant account safe from chargeback ratios, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Just head to their quick sign up form, the links in the description to get started.